In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a macro in Zendesk. Whether you're just starting out or are already familiar with Zendesk's capabilities, macros can significantly streamline your workflow. They allow you to automate repetitive tasks, making your customer service interactions more efficient. So let's dive right in. First, open up your web browser and navigate to the Zendesk homepage, which is your gateway to the complete customer service solution they offer. Once you're there, look for the sign in button, usually located at the top right hand corner of the screen. This will take you to the login page where you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. Here, input your email and password. If you're someone who tends to forget passwords, consider using a password manager. This not only saves time but also adds an extra layer of security. Once you've filled in your details, click on the sign in button to access your Zendesk account. Now that you're logged in, head over to the ticketing area. This is where you handle all customer requests. To begin creating your macro, you first need to identify the ticket you want to create a macro for. Click on View to access all the tickets and then select the specific ticket you'd like to work with. Navigating through the ticket, you'll notice three dots usually located at the top right of the screen. Clicking on these dots will open a drop-down menu. Here, select the option labelled Create as Macro. This is where the magic starts. Creating a macro from an existing ticket allows you to automate similar future interactions, which is a real time saver in a busy support environment. The next step is to give your macro a meaningful name. This helps in easily identifying it later, especially if you plan on creating multiple macros. Think of a name that precisely describes the action or response it automates. After naming your macro, you have the opportunity to add a detailed description. This is particularly useful if you're part of a larger team, as it provides context for other team members who might use it. Once you've filled out all necessary details, simply click the Create button. And there you have it, your very own macro ready to streamline your customer service tasks. Before we wrap up, a quick tip: regularly review and update your macros to ensure they remain relevant and effective. This is especially important in the fast-paced world of customer service, where procedures and policies can change rapidly. Thank you for following along. You now have the knowledge to create macros in Zendesk, which will undoubtedly improve your efficiency in handling customer inquiries. If you found this video helpful, feel free to explore other features Zendesk offers to further enhance your customer service prowess.